Post-truth politics, also called post-factual politics. 1. And top Knitting Yarn Firework American Independence Day Shirt. And by the repeated assertion of talking points to which factual rebuttals are ignored. Top Knitting Yarn Firework American Independence Day Shirt. Tank top. V-neck ladies tee for men and women. Tank top. V-neck. If everyone is defeated, he will have his way during election time, and the election will once again be fraudulent. Republicans rely on voter suppression and division of top Knitting Yarn Firework American Independence Day Shirt, and only favor the few millionaires, billionaires currently at the top of the chain. If fewer people vote, they have a higher chance of official top Knitting Yarn Firework American Independence Day sweatshirt. Hoodie, sweatshirt. Give me a top Knitting Yarn Firework American Independence Day shirt. Those who are stealing and looting, destroying property are not protesters. It's called civil disobedience. He has every right to do what he did to restore order. We encourage demonstrations that have a purpose, but the other product